Fine. So yeah. Now, once again, I will revise this structured query language from python.mykbs.in only. I'm just taking, and I'll be showing all the different queries. Okay, so what do? We will be opening MySQL. Let me open MySQL. So here, MySQL SQL command line client I'm opening. See, if you have not installed, okay, you go to MySQL installer. From the, see, you can go to browser, MySQL. MySQL installer for Windows. So now, okay, if you click on MySQL installer, then the installation process will go on. Double click on that. If you have any system password, you enter that system password. That is administrator password, so that it all on your computer. Okay. Okay. So this one, see, download MySQL installer. Okay, 32-bit or MySQL 5.7 is fine. 5.7 you can go for. Okay. So once it is successfully installed, enter password. You set your password root only. Okay, so that yeah, when you are interfacing your MySQL with Python, there you will be entering your local host, username, password, everything. No, so there won't be any confusion. So root is the password. So I have entered root. Now you can see the MySQL prompt. Okay, this much all of you are able to do. See, in this any problem is there, beta?
No, ma'am.
Oh no, Mohit, Snehil, you're all successfully able to open your MySQL command line? Yes or no? This is visible to you all on your mobiles everywhere? Or you want me to increase the font size? Yeah, now this is clear? Clear to every one of you?
Ma'am, can you share it the screen again?
Oh, sorry. I'll share it. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
One more product has not been satisfied. Java వస్తుంది. Okay, so now what do we do? First, create a database KVH. How do we do that? Create database, no space in between KVH. Okay, children. So now semicolon is to indicate end. Khatam ho gaya hamara command. Okay. So now immediately if you press enter, it is interactive. Immediately that result will be that query will be executed and you will get the result. Is there any error, children? Is there any error? You keep noting down. Okay. If you are not doing on the computer, better you note down immediately. So how to create a database? What is the command? Create, then database is a single word, and then KVH. KVH is the database name. Okay, KVH is the database name. After creation of the database, okay, how do you open the database? How do you open the database? How do you open the database? Use KVH. Here, create is a DDL command. So create के बाद database, table, ऐसे keyword आना चाहिए. But use is not a DDL. It is a DML. So use करेंगे. ठीक है? Now database changed. Now if you want to see what are all the tables in the database, there is no table in KVH. Is it clear? Okay, ma. So all databases in this, any other database is there. Okay, so here whatever the databases we have in this system. Okay, so what and all KVH is there, portal is there, Divyanshu is there, information schema, Millen, MySQL, school database is there. Okay, suppose if I had to open the database school, what should I write, Asim? What should I write? To open database school. To open database school.
Show school.
Sorry?
Show school.
Show school.
Use, ma'am. Use school.
Use school. Very good. So it should be use, ma'am. So use is for what? To open the existing databases. Now you can see database changed. Now here in school, if you want to see what are all the tables available. So what is the command? Show tables. Okay. So what is the table available here? E is the table in school database. Is it clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes.
So what is the first and foremost step in MySQL? First, you will create your own database. After creating the database, what is the next step? What is the next step? Use. Then only the database will be opened. So in that database, now which one you want to, now we have created KVH now. Okay, so now in KVH, if you want to create table, right? If you want to create table, how do we create? So how do we create table, children? Tell me. What is the command? You have already learned, no? What is the command? Creation of table.
Create table.
Very good. So create, see now we have done create database also we have done. Okay, when we are creating database, create is the keyword. Database is also keyword, as it is creation means DDL command. So we have to use the keyword, that is database is the database, table is the table, like that. And then you have to open that database, use. Then in that database, if you want to see all the tables, show tables. Okay, ma'am. So easy only, right? Next, in this, now we have one table. What is the table? Is there any table in KVH? So tables, nothing, empty set. So if you have table, then we can see the description by using describe command. Is it clear? We have to create table. Okay, So let me take one assignment. Okay, question. Create table. Any table we can create. See, for example, yeah, we have eLearn KVS BLR.in blog also, no? Here also all our PGT computer science teachers have contributed here. eLearn KVS BLR.in.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can you let Adra join, because we are all in the other class and we didn't know that this was the class going on.
Today is Friday, no? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We had joined that meeting and you were also there. So we were just waiting and then you left suddenly. Around 10 people are in the other room.
It's taking time. You can text them in WhatsApp or somewhere, no? Now I'm in Friday meeting only, right? I
Yes,
joined there
yes, ma'am.
to 1 second. Let me join there and end that meeting. It is taking time here. See. Okay, once it allows me to join, then only I'll join and I'll end that meeting. And now here, children, see, very nice material is ready for you all in this eLearn KVS ROBLR.in. Okay, you make use of it, utilize them. Science stream you go, there computer science is there. Computer science you click. See, file handling I have contributed. You can see all my videos here. Okay, file handling, so much I have done. Okay, so then web services also I have contributed, but actually web services now it is removed. Okay, so no need of yeah. So here create the table student. Okay, ma'am. So how do you create the table student? With this description, question will be asked like this. Create the following table with roll number as integer. It is a primary key. Name as varchar of size 20, which is not null. A should be integer greater than 0. Okay, city, varchar size, phone integer, unique value. Phone should be unique. Okay. So then marks integer default value 0 should be assigned. So how do we create this table with these constraints? Okay, so now shall we create? Create, what is the table? Table also should be used. Keyword should be used. And what is the table name? Children, tell me what is the table name? Student.
Student.
So what should I write here? Create table.
Creates
Student.
table student.
Yeah, and then open parenthesis. Okay, the next, what is the field name? Roll number. Okay, same as it is, we can write. Okay, roll number. Roll number, what type of data it is? What type?
And people are waiting in the
Integer.
waiting room.
Integer.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Swati.
people are waiting in the waiting room and they're asking to let them in.
Microsoft Teams is asking additional security verification to use MS Teams. That's a very big and not a very big resource. My also I have problem.
Yeah, mine also it is coming like that. OTP is coming to mobile.
Yes, ma'am. That's it. So someone sent this screenshot on WhatsApp.
It's coming. OTP is coming because they are changing. Some changes.
I didn't check it. That's why you have to
Yeah. So now shall we proceed? Roll number integer. Then what should I write? What is the constraint? Immediately you can write primary key.
Primary key.
Okay. And next that field is over. No, then comma. Once that line is over, comma. Then next field. Next field is name. Okay. So name is of which type? It is given now. Varchar of size 20. So what should I write here? Varchar within brackets 20. Any other constraint is there? Not null. So what should I write? Not null. Okay, ma'am. Then any other thing is there? See, name के बाद जगह छोड़ना है ना? Okay, fine. So now next line. What is the next one? Age. Age of what type? Integer type. Okay, integer. Then what is the constraint here? It should be greater than 0. Okay, check greater than 0. And, wait, check. Okay, let me. Okay, so check A is greater than or equal to, check here. Okay, let me write like this. Create table student, primary key, age, check within brackets, age greater than 0. Okay, so that is how you should write. Right. Then what is the next constraint they have asked? Here. Okay. Okay. Then city varchar of 15. So what should I write here? Tell me. City varchar within brackets 15. Any other constraint is given there? You just see in the question, nothing is there. So comma. Next line. Phone integer, it should be unique. So as it is, you can write phone integer, and it should be unique. Okay. Then what is that? Marks integer default value 0. Okay. So marks integer is the default value. What is the default value? Default value is how much? 0. So default, we should write default. By default, it is 0. But let me see the syntax. Default. Okay, any other fields? Okay, so then closing parenthesis. Here comma नहीं आएगा. Close करेंगे, semicolon डालेंगे. ठीक है? Now you see any error in this query? You want to note down? You can note down question and answer. Okay. So create the following table student with these constraints. How to give the check? Check is a function kind of default. You can give, if it is an integer value, directly value can give, number value, numerical value can give. Otherwise, enclose in inverted commas by default, whatever the value. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Anyone is having doubt? See, primary key is both not null and unique. So, but name, this name can be repeated, but name cannot be blank. Okay, ma'am. So, whereas phone can not be repeated, but it can be blank. Okay. So, that is the difference between primary key, not null and unique. Got it? Primary key is both not null and unique. Whereas name here not null only we have given. That means repetition of name is allowed, but it cannot be left blank. Okay. So null values are blank lines. We are leaving. No, that one. So phone number, it should be unique. It should not be same for two people. Okay. So but phone number unique, and it can be null also. It can be left blank also. Right. So now let us try to insert values into table. How do we do that? Insert into, what is the table name? What is the table name? Student. Okay. So now we'll write values. Right. So now what are the values we should add? Here you can see, roll number, age, city, phone, marks. 1 RAM 17 Delhi 1 2 3 4 5 6 450. Okay. So now let us insert the same values. So first one is roll number 1. As it is integer, no need of inverted commas. Then what is the name here? Ram. But Ram is a name, no. So we should enclose within either in single quotes or in double quotes. Okay. Now 17 is the age. Okay. Next, what is the city name here? Delhi. But Delhi name. So we have to enclose in single quotes or in double quotes. Okay. Next, what is that? Phone. Phone is, what have we given? You can see the table, no, here. Phone is integer. So we need not enclose in inverted commas. And then what is the mark? 450. Marks obtained is 450. Now you can see any other thing. See, yes, roll number. First one is the roll number. Next one is the name. Next one is the age. Next one is the city. Next one is the phone. Next one is the marks. So if you are not giving any attribute name, it should be by default whatever, while creating the table, whatever order you have given, in the same order you should give. Okay. Now if you want to see the result of the student, select star from student. Okay. Select star from student. What do we get? You see, we got it correctly. Now can you write the query for inserting next row? Can all of you do that? Yes. Yes. What is the next row? How do we do that? Insert into student. That is the first line is. First line you write like that. Next one is values. What are the values? Now we should insert. 2, Priya, 18, Chennai. Okay. So 2, Priya. Okay. Then 18. Then Chennai. Then what is the phone number? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 400. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 400. Clear? So now, if you look into the table, how do we see the content of the table? Select star. That means everything, all the rows and columns. There is no constraint from student. Okay. So here select star is all columns from student. If it are where class is there, then restriction on rows. So there is no restriction on rows also. Now you can see both are successful. Yes or no? So now write the query for the next insertion. 3, 4, 5. All of you.
Ma'am, can you just show the create table once?
Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
See, what is the first step? Those who have joined late, for them I'm showing. First is we have to create a database. Every time we need not create database now. See, now today we are creating a database KVH. I'm telling you the same question I'll give in monthly test. So be careful. Okay, create database KVH, and then how do you open the created database? Unless until you open a database, you cannot create any tables or you cannot access any tables within the database. So for that reason, you have to use the command use. Okay, use KVH is to open the database KVH. Now, what are all the tables in that? So no tables created. Now, show tables is the command to see all the tables. Okay, suppose if you want to see all the databases within your MySQL or within your system. Okay, so whatever the databases you have created, and when you have installed software, what are the databases? Generally, test database and information schema will come along with your installation. Okay, remaining all databases or the created databases. You can see Divyanshu, Hotel, KVH, Milan, MySQL, MySQL database, okay, school, Somesh, all these 11 CS session ending. Okay, these are all the databases created. Now, which database we are using? School database only. So that means if we are using some other database, if you want to switch on to this database, what is the command we use? Use. Okay, use and the database name. Here database should not be written. Okay, use directly database name. But when you are using create के बाद database, create के बाद table, create के बाद view, create के बाद index, ये सब आएगा, keywords आएगा, ठीक है? So now, because create is a DDL command, whereas use is we are not changing any definitions, but just we are using. So it is a DML command. Okay, right. Now, if you want to create a table student, so how do we create the table student with the constraints? What are the constraints given here? Fields are given. So here you can see the question. Roll number is a field. Data type is integer. What is the constraint? Primary key. And then name, it should be of varchar of size 20. And the constraint given is not null. Okay. So as per the given question only, we have to create a table. So age, it should be greater than 0. If at all, see, suppose if I'm trying to insert a row where the value is 0 or less than 0, age of a student. Okay, suppose here I am entering some other. Age is, yeah, so 0th roll number. Okay. Okay, some value. Now you see 0 should not be accepted while inserting. That is the reason in the creation itself we have taken care. Okay, duplicate entries are not allowed for phone number. Okay, that is the error. Yes, because phone we have made it as unique. Yes or no? So that is the reason while creating itself, after the variable name, that is the field name, then the data type, then directly you can give the constraint. Okay, so primary key constraint. Next one is not null. Next one is check function we will be using to check whether that value is greater than 0. See, now once again I'll show you values here greater than 0 now. So if I'm giving minus 10, okay, something less than 0 should not be accepted. So now yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 so 5 7 because duplicates are not allowed. Okay, right. Now let me see. select star from student. So -10 it has taken. Actually, it should be check and grant. Okay. Check constraint. We will see once again. Yeah. Check is greater than 0. So. Okay, if it is not working properly, what we can do? Alter table, add check is greater than 0. So alter table, which table we are altering? Student table. Okay, we are adding a constraint, add check age greater than, okay, age greater than. Okay. Suppose if I have to remove that row, what should I do? Delete. Okay, from student, where roll number is equal to 0th roll number वाला delete करना, ठीक है? Now, if you see the content of the table, now you can see removed or not. So what to delete के बाद directly from student लिखते हैं, ठीक है? Select में तो select के बाद which column, star or some column we will mention. But delete के बाद nothing. Delete from student. What should be deleted? Where roll number equal to 0, that entire row. Okay. So delete will only affect the content, whereas drop, if I am dropping, drop table student, what will happen? Drop table student, it will remove even the constraints also. See, for example, okay, let me delete from student. What will happen? Delete from student here, so if I have not written anywhere class, what will happen? Can someone guess what will happen if I have just written delete from student? Can someone give me answer? Yes.
Ma'am, the whole thing will get cleared.
But the table still, whatever create table you have done, no, that table still exists. Okay, so delete from student. Now if you look into the content, select star from student. What is the content you see? Empty set, no rows are there. All rows got deleted. But if you look at the table, still the table exists. If you look into the tables of the database, student is still there. Got it? So if I drop student, what will happen? Drop के लिए drop is DDL command. So drop table student करना है, ठीक है? So drop table student किया. Now what are the tables you see? What is the table in the database? No table also. Got it? So delete का drop का difference क्या है? Delete will be deleting only rows content, but drop entire table को हटा देंगे database से. आगे ही समझ में, right? What is the difference? Drop is a DDL command, okay? Whereas delete का देखिए database table कुछ लिखा है नहीं ना? So delete is similar to select, that is DML command. Okay, drop is DDL command, whereas delete is DML command. Manipulation of data. Only data को affect करेंगे delete function. Okay, delete command, whereas drop will affect the structures in the database. Database के अंदर, okay, वो table को हटा देंगे, ठीक है? So समझ में आ गया? Alter is, see here we have done no alteration. Alter table. So we, what type of command it is? DDL or DML?
DDL.
DDL. Alter is DDL or DML? Kavya Bhatt. Unmute, ma. Kavya. Unmute yourself and respond. Krishnakant. Alter command is DDL or DML? Krishnakant. Krishnakant. Vaishnav. Vaishnav. Alter is DDL or DML? Vaishnav Menon. Only Adrija को मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. Swati. Tarek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Table is DDL or DML?
DDL.
DDL. How can we say that?
Yeah.
So by looking at the command also can say no. Alter is affecting the constraint, not the content. Okay. There is certain rule and regulation. Or this much size, varchar 20 किया था ना पहले, उसको change करना है. So that and all alteration we do. Okay. Alter is DDL command, whereas update is DML command. So now if you want to update, but there is no table only, na? How do we update? So first of all, what we should do? We have to create table. So now once again I'm showing you create table. So where is that create table? You can see, no? Weekly I am creating. So create table student and left parenthesis. Then what is the first field? Roll number, which is of integer type and has the constraint primary key. And next one is, what is the next one? Name, varchar of size 20 and then age integer. Okay. So here check is greater than 0. Next, age के बाद after age city, next phone number, after city phone, then after phone okay, marks. Okay, default value 0. Okay, see now let us insert into a table values. Okay, so otherwise if you want to, after some time, now created na table. Okay, create table created, yes or no? Have you all noted down? Okay, let me close it. Now after some time, once again you open the database, right? So now MySQL command line. Okay, so now let me, what is the password? Now let's see databases. What is the database we have created? KVH. Okay, use KVH. Now let's see what are all the tables in KVH. Now what is the table here? Student. Okay, select star from student. Okay, ma. So now is there any content in that? Because we dropped out. No, after dropping off, we have again created student table. Okay, this much is clear. Now I forgot the roll number kya diya hai. What are all the table columns I have given? So how do I come to know? Constraints that I have given for student. What are the fields? What type of values I have to insert? How do I know? Using describe. Okay, describe student. So it will describe, see roll number, integer type. Okay, it is primary key. You can see, no? Then name, varchar type. Okay, it is not. Okay, so age, integer. Yes, it has a null values allowed or not. Okay, unique values are all the constraints you can see. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? So how do you describe? You can write describe student or DESC student. Shortcut for describe is DESC. Is it clear, children? Is it clear to everyone? Asim, समझ में आ गया बेटा? Praveen, Pradhana. Yes or no? You just logged in and you are all doing some other work.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. You are all doing some other work, it seems.
Ma'am.
Paragraph. वैष्णव समझ में आ गया सबको? ठीक है? So DESE is for what? To describe. That is table structure. What are the fields? What are its types? What are the constraints? Okay, what is the default value for marks? 0. Okay, check constraint did not come. Okay, let's later on we will do. But anyway, so now we have to insert into table. How do we do that? Insert into, what is the table name? Table लिखेंगे कि नहीं? No. Why? It is a DML command. So insert into student. Now what should I write? Values. Now what are the values? 1. And what is the name of the student? First roll number ka Ram. Then 17. Ram 17. Delhi. Okay. Delhi. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 450 marks. Enough. Okay. Now similarly do once again insert into student values. What are the values now? Second row is 2. Roll number 2. What is the name? Priya. Age 18. Then city Chennai. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 400. Okay. So now one more row. We'll insert all the rows now. What is the third row? Roll number 3 kaun hai? Ajay. Then what is the age? 17. Null value is there, so 17. Okay. इसके बाद कुछ नहीं. So null value कैसे देंगे? NULL. Okay. Then what is the phone number? 6 ones. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then 350. So even in your practical examination, table will be, question will be given like this. You have to create the table. Database भी आपको बनाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? So within this database, create this table like that. Information will be given. Okay, next roll number 4. Roll number 4 कौन है? कविता. Kavita, hope you are all noting down. Okay, children. As much as you write down and you practice, no, that will be beneficial for you. Simply listening will not work out. Hope you are all writing down in your notebook. Yeah, you all have to submit your classworks and so on. So date I have given. Yes or no? Yeah. So keep writing whatever you are attending, no? Keep writing in your notebook. Unknown column Kolkata in field list. Right? Why? What is the error? Tell me. Someone should tell me. Yeah. What is the error here?
No inverted commas.
Yeah. Very good. Wonderful. Inverted commas. When names are given, they should be within the inverted commas. Next. What is the next row? Roll number 5. Ramya 18 Chennai. Okay. Roll number 5. Ramya 18 Chennai, and all 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, what is the marks? You got a null value. Okay. So now how do I see all the details of the students? All student details. I'll start from student. Clear? Now, display the details of all students. So how do I write? Select star from student. Okay. So next one, give the structure of the table student. Give the structure of table student. Namita, are you there? Namita, can you answer, ma'am? Give the structure of the table student. Namita, give the structure of the table student. Aviva, Amruta, unmute yourselves and speak. Chandana,
Yes,
Chandana,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Chandana, can you give answer to this question, dear? Give the structure of the table student.
Ma'am, first we need to create this.
Already we are in progress, right? We have already done. Okay. So now after some time, you just want to see the structure of the table student. Just
Show
to see.
table student.
No,
Ma'am, describe.
yes, see, I have just now I have shown you, no, describe student, otherwise DESC student, which will give you structure of the table student. This is the structure. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Chandan, is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The structure of the table student, what is the command? Describe student. That's it. Very simple answer. Question only very long. आपका आंसर बहुत छोटा है, ठीक है? हाँ. Have you noted down? Next, display the name and marks of all students. So कैसे लिखेंगे? What are all the columns we want to display? Name and then marks only. I don't want all other things. Right? So क्या करना है? Display का मतलब display जब भी display आता है तो select करना है. ठीक है? So what should I write? Select name and then marks, comma marks from which table? From student. Is it clear to everyone? Have you all noted down? Select name, comma marks from student. So Tejas, are you there? Tejas. Tejas. Tejas, unmute. Tejas, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Are you there? Okay, so now let me ask you, Tejas, display the details of all students, but there is a restriction. What is the restriction? All students, but there is a restriction on the rows. Name should have letter A. Name should have letter A. So Ram, Priya, Ajay, Kavita, Ramya, everybody should come. But in the query, okay, so what should I write? Select all columns of students from student. What is the constraint? Where name, like, where small a is available, we do not know. So percentage is to indicate 0 or more characters. Okay, somewhere A, and after A also some more characters may be there. Maybe or may not be 0 or more characters. Okay, so then now you can see. Okay, have you all noted down? What is the question here? Display details of all students whose name contains second letter as A. So then our query is wrong. This is anywhere A. Only second letter A. So then only Ram, Kavita, Ramya should come. What should I write, Tejas? Tejas, don't sleep, beta. Nitin, are you there? So here, I know particularly before here there is one character. That can be any character. So underscore डालना है, ठीक है? Second character should be A, and after that 0 or more characters. So that is this underscore and percentage are known as wild characters. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Now you can see only those students' details are displayed whose name has second letter A. Okay, second letter A. Now let me give you this fifth question. Okay. Display details of students in descending order of their names. What should we do? What should we do, children? Descending order. Which class we should use? Order by class. Order by descending order of what? Of what? Names. So what is the title of names column? Name. Order by name. DESC. Okay. Are you following? Order by name. DESC. Now you can see alphabetical order reversed. Ramya has come first, then Ram, then Priya, Kavita, Ajay. Okay, is it clear? Hope you are all
Yes,
observing what am I
ma'am.
doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. When you are writing down in your record also, even in your notebook also, query immediately, output also you should write. Question and what is the query, then what is the output. Okay, ma? Because 5 rows only you can do that. Now next display the name of those students whose city is not found. Whose city is not there. Okay. So whose is not there? Logically we can tell no. So that is Ajay's. Only Ajay's details to be displayed. All details are to be displayed or only name. See the question. Display the name. Okay, what should I do? Select from student. What is the condition? Condition के लिए where लिखना है, ठीक है? Where? What is the condition? Where city is null. Got it? Where city is null. So what is output? Only name is displayed because select class में सिर्फ name ही लिखा है. So only name column. Name is the title column. Then what is the content? Ajay. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes, प्रार्थना समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? इंशाल्लाह. Okay. So now let me proceed to the next question. Display name and city of those students. Okay. So पहले display में क्या क्या लिखना है बताओ? प्रार्थना क्या क्या लिखना है? Select name, city. From which table? From student. Then what is the constraint? उधर semicolon मत डालो. So constraint is there now. Who belong to Chennai or Delhi? So where city equal to Delhi or city equal to Chennai. Okay. Have you all noted down? Display name and city of those students whose city is Delhi or Chennai. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Easy or not? So SQL में एक मार्क भी आपको मिस नहीं करना, ठीक है? So you should not lose even a single mark in SQL. That is very scoring. So you 1-2 practices if you do also, see very easy to learn. Yes or no? So you should not lose a single. Okay, ma. Now display the name of those students. Now display the name of. So display में क्या लिखना है? Only name. So what should I write in the query? Very good. Select name. Correct. From student. Then what should I write? What is the constraint? Display the name of those students. Okay. Whose age is 17 and belongs to Delhi. So whose लिखेंगे? What is the constraint? Where? Okay, very good. Where age? What is the condition? Age is equal to 17 and is given, right? And belongs to Delhi. So what should I write? City equal to Delhi. Wonderful, Hemant. Very good. Right. Next, who will answer? Tarakram, can you give answer to the next question? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good. So now, can you give me answer to this ninth one? Display the details of all students whose marks is in the range of 400 to 450. How to write query? Just we are translating question, ma'am. Okay. How to
Ma'am,
write
greater
query?
than 400 to less than 450.
Sorry?
Greater than 400 to less than 450 range.
Okay, query batao beta.
Select star
Select star. Very good. Wonderful.
from student
Student.
where marks equal to
Where
less than 400, greater than 400 to less than 450.
greater than 400 to less than 450. ऐसे लिखते हैं.
No, wait.
See, when you have two conditions, marks only, it should be less, greater than 400 and marks less than 450. Okay, ma? That way you should write. Okay. So here most of you lost mark, half mark. 1 mark में इधर कहीं पे भी आप कुछ भी गड़बड़ किया तो आपको मार्क मिस होंगे. ठीक है? So you should not lose mark. So when you have a condition, two conditions, we have to apply on the same Anthony. Yeah. Are you all there with me? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now what are we discussing is, see, these are all the functions we have discussed. Descending order over. Yes. After that, after the descending order, okay. Now let's see. Display all the details of whose marks is in the range of 400 and 450. Yes, that was the answer given by one of your friend, Santamilan Nitin. Right. So now this is one way of writing. And another is we can use between and. So that time marks between what is the lower limit and what is the upper limit. That way you should write. So this 400 and 450 are inclusive. Okay, children. So now what is the next question? Display details of students whose marks is not in the range of 400 to 450. Okay. So whose marks? Yes, ma'am.
Screen, ma'am. It's
Yeah.
not visible.
Now it's visible. Yeah. So here we struck up some technical issue. Now it got connected again. Here also network fluctuation is there. But anyway, so now you can see select star from student where marks greater than or equal to 400 and marks greater less than or equal to 450. Yes or no? This is what we have discussed. The same thing, what other way how we can write is there is between and. Okay, clause between and clause. Okay, so where marks between 400 and 450. So 400 is the lower limit, 450 is the upper limit, both inclusive. Okay, so now what is the next question? Display whose marks is not in the range of 400 to 450. So if you are using between and, no, it is very easy to write. How can we write? Not between 400 and 450. Just not include canvas. Okay. So then display who belongs to Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata. Like that, multiple values are given. So you can use in operator. Okay, which operator we use? In. So where city in within parenthesis only, not square brackets or curly braces. Okay, it is like a set only, but it is parenthesis in any one of the values. If at all, city is either Delhi or Chennai or Kolkata. Instead of writing city equal to Delhi or city equal to Chennai or city equal to Kolkata, what we can do is we can use in operator. Is it clear to everyone? Where city in within parentheses you separate by all the values separated by comma. Okay, so now you can see, no, so names of those students who belong to either Delhi or Chennai or Kolkata are displayed. Okay, so now if you want to have the mathematical calculations directly, the results of mathematical calculations, so power function will give you, this is see base minus 3 and to the power 3. So what is minus 3 to the power of 3? Minus 27. No need of any from clause in MySQL. Okay, so round function, how does it work? If the second parameter is not mentioned, then it will round whatever before dot. Okay, 12.5 is there. So we will be adding, if after that decimal, after that digit, if the value is greater than or equal to 5, we'll add 1 to the previous digit. So 12 will be rounded to 13. Are you all following? So now 12.546 comma 2. That means after dot up to 2 digits you round. So 4, 5, 4, 6 is there. 4 ke baad 6 is there. 6 is greater than or equal to 5. So 1 is added to 4. Okay, so 12.55 is your answer. Next, if you are, even if it is a negative number also, here after comma we mentioned 2. That means after dot only, whatever the value is there, that only round up to 2 decimals. Okay, so 5, 4 and next value is 3. 3 is smaller than 5. So that will not affect the previous 2 digits. Okay, so mod will give you reminder 25 by 3. 3 8s are 24. What is the reminder? 1. Okay, then select uppercase. So select uppercase of name. It will convert everything into capital letters. U case will be giving you in capital letters, whereas L case will be giving you in small letters. Suppose if you want to take a substring of it, so here name का second character से शुरू करके 3 characters. This is the starting character. Second character is the starting character. And then how many characters? 3. So here the first name, second character A से शुरू कर देंगे. A M के बाद कुछ है ही नहीं, तो that much only we will get. If you have Priya, second character से शुरू कर दिया 1, 2, 3 characters. So RIY is the answer. Okay, so that way you will get the substring. SUBSTR is the function. Then to get the length of a name, suppose if you are asked to display whose name, details of students whose name is having 5 characters, only those 5 characters. So then how do we get? Select name from student where length of name equal to 5. Okay, so only those names are displayed. Or what you can do is name like 5 times underscore. Which one is easy? Length of name only is easy. Because if we have a very long length characters, then how many underscores we will put? So directly we can write the function. Left will give you leftmost characters. See, leftmost 2 characters. Right will give you rightmost 2 characters. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubts here? Practice, children, then only you will get doubts. So now rightmost 2 characters you got. Ram mein AM, Priya mein YA, Ajay mein AY. Okay, so that way you will get right function, left function, and then you have to apply these date functions. Okay, so what is the present date? Okay, what is the present date? How do we get? Select now. Date and time. Now what is the time? 12:08.